How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to head on up over to the neighbors with the new Holland C232 and temporarily fix some driveway damage. And once we get up there, you'll see what I mean. I'm going to be having some material coming, so I want to make sure that the driver can get up in there safely, and the homeowner's been bottoming out. So we're going to use what material's already in the driveway and get her ready for a top coat. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Well, as you can see here, here's the issue at hand. We've been getting these heavy deluges. The water is washing out this driveway. Bad.
So as you guys can see here, it's just totally washed out. Basically the heavy rains coming down off the barn over there on the side, the hill. It used to shed over here into the grass where it should have been, but it just started coming down through the driveway, and it's taken a lot of the millings and everything through. So I'm just going to shave the sides off a little bit so we can make sure that the water's getting off the driveway correctly and not flowing down through here. Kind of just pre-prep it before we get a load of millings here. So hopefully I got you guys set up in an okay spot, and I'll do a little bit of skiddy bop work down here. This grass up through here is high, so the water was running off of this concrete slab up there and coming down the driveway, and then really getting good flow down the hill. So we're going to try coming in here and shaving this off a little bit. As usual with that side over there too. Okay guys, there you have it. The new Holland C232. Put a little temporary fix on this driveway. So I just kind of went down through the edge here. This sod was heavy high. And just tried getting that so it was pointed back away from the driveway. Because the other day, and you'll see in the one video that I show, the water was running off the corner of the garage here. And there's concrete slopes all the way down here, and there's a river. And it's just coming right out into the driveway. So I think now, especially once we get the new millings in here, recap this, get a better crown. Yeah, water's going to stay to that edge. And if you look, you can see the skid steer is tilted. So we've got that crown put back in, and we got the water shed over the front of this side driveway going up. Okay? Instead of flushing out the driveway, right? We'll maintain that all the way down through this sod, where it's just going to kind of wash here off the edge, whether it's right off into the edge to the ditch there around the pole or down through here. And then I just kind of reprofiled a lot of this down through here. It looks like their shoulders are low enough, so the water off the road should run pretty well to the ditch. There's a different story. That gravel is definitely a little high, but that is what they just did to fix their shoulder, and then it rained the next day and did the same thing. So, but skid steer, I tell you what, did a nice job rolling this in. Probably not as good as vibratory looks wise, but yeah, you can see here too. We got this grass was a little high up through here, so I was able to get this all shaved off to the side. Any water running down on this side is going to kick off into the grass here. So for now, that's going to work. The homeowner will be able to get into their driveway without bottoming out. And my delivery guy for the millings will be able to back in here comfortably. All right, well, there you have it. That's a really quick driveway transformation. We're going to finish the driveway next week. I got millings coming here in several days to retop it and put a couple inches on, pronounce the crown a little bit better so the water will definitely shed to the edges. But for right now, we do have, if we do get any rain, the water should shed to the edges and to the ditch instead of down through the middle of the driveway and washing everything out. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please do me a big favor. Would you guys subscribe to the channel? Like the video. I guess it does well for the algorithm. And I'm really trying to push the channel. Like I said, you know, I would love, my goal, and the quiet part out loud, honestly, is I would love to get monetized. You know, make something of this. Make my time worth it, because it does take quite a bit of time to move cameras around and do this and do that and edit and try to make somewhat of a video that people watch at least a couple minutes of. So subscribe, like, comment. I haven't been getting many comments. I'll take them all. It don't have to be good, don't have to be bad, whatever, but I love the comments. I love the interaction with subscribers and non-subscribers. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Look forward to talking to you all real soon. Okay.